Hello children, good morning. Hope you are all well. Today is our moral science class and today's date is 15/12/21 and our topic is chapter 9 sharing with love. In our previous class I have already started this chapter, so today I will explain the rest of the part of this chapter. So children, don't skip this video and watch till end. Look children, this is chapter number 9 of your moral science books, Sharing with Love. I have already started this chapter in our previous class and up to this I already explained. So from here, today we will do the rest of the part. So let's begin. Early in the morning, Kushagra filled the bowl with water and grain and leaves them in the garden and on the terrace. So, I hope you have remembered there is a boy called Kushagra. He loved bird very much. As Kushagra take care of bird as he started keeping water for birds during the summer season. So he has a few earthen bowl. I already explained this. Early in the morning, what he do? Kushagra fill the bowl of water and grain and leave them in the garden or in the terrace. He greets his winged visitor. Winged visitor means bird. Those are the visitors which have wings. Winged visitors. Tweet, tweet, chip, chip, chip. Look at the sparrow, pigeons, crow, and sometimes even the parrots who have started coming to quench their thirst. Quench means to fulfill their thirst and satisfy their hunger. By drinking water, they quench their thirst and satisfy by eating the grain. They satisfied their hunger. Okay, so it's even the parrot who have started coming to quench their thirst and satisfy their hunger. Quench their thirst and satisfy their hunger. The Kushagra and Radha are now young nature scientists. They are now young scientists. They are grown up. They are become young scientists, nature scientists. They spend the message of sharing Mother Earth, loving with other living beings. What they do, they share the message of all of us, so how to love our Mother Earth and showing our love to the all human beings as well as living beings, all the living beings. Both are waiting to see the tree they keep planting became home of many birds. Once they are planting trees, now they are became very big and it is the home of many birds. Oh, it would be so nice to get up in the morning to the sound of birds singing in their nest. So all of you love the sound of bird, how they are singing, and it's very good to wake up early in the morning to the sound of birds singing. So children, up to this, I hope you have understood this chapter. So the moral of the story is, we all of you should love all the living beings and our Mother Earth. Up to this children, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye children. Have a nice day.